This is the Heavenly Trebolo outdoor kitchen. Pretty self-explanatory. You have a nice microwave right here, very easy to use. And then of course we have a little outdoor refrigerator here. Not a whole lot of explanation. Of course the temperature control is over there. Keep in mind it can take a long time to cool. Okay, over here we have a nice second refrigerator up here. And you got the same thing. You got your dial over here. You can change the temperature. But of course it takes a while. If you bring a bunch of hot alcohol driven 2 hours across from LA and you shove this full of 48 beers, it's going to take 12 hours to cool them. It's just a very small refrigerator. Okay, this here is your barbecue. You've got your burners right over here. You can open this up and you can see you've got all your different burners, and this is all just your standard stuff. There you see it lit. So again, you just turn, push, light, hold it for 30 seconds, release, and it should stay. Choose your temperature. Again, down here, it's run off of propane, off your propane tank. So again, righty-tighty, loosey-lefty. So righty is on. This one's fairly empty. Okay, you can also feel the valve normally is very easy to move. That means that it's fairly empty, right? So you can close it, or you can open it to check that you have, right? So now it's open. Okay. Now, coming over here, generally we provide extra propane as well. So we have an extra propane tank, and you can, oh, that's nice and full. You can just simply pick it up and ensure it's full. So again, if there's a problem there, you can go ahead and replace the gas thing. If you have any questions, the gas can. If you have any questions, you can call us at 1-866-322-5487, or you can email us at info@calivrbo.com.